Good morning, 6th class. I am your SST teacher. Welcome to the class. Students, today we are starting our week 11, and in this week we are going to complete our chapter of environmental geography. If you remember last time in our lesson, we discussed that in current era, our environment is facing certain challenges and certain problems. And of all the challenges, there were two biggest challenges, and they were pollution and climate change. So today we are going to talk about pollution. Pollution is the introduction of impure and undesired animals called contaminants into the natural environment. Now the question is, what is pollution? Pollution means when in a natural environment we add something that is dirty, that is impure, that is toxic. Toxic means poisonous. These things, they are called contaminants. Contaminants mean something that make your environment dirty. For example, wrappers. For example, plastic bottles. Imagine all the garbage. You are standing in a beautiful park and you see the park is very dirty. There people have thrown the wrappers, people have thrown the juices box, they have thrown the trash, there is extra food which is thrown there just like that openly. Imagine the amount of germs there. This garbage is called contaminants. Contaminants mean something that make your environment dirty. And this is what is causing pollution on our earth, and it is what destroying our planet. You know, the pollution, it makes environment unsafe for us. The natural environment, it is made in a way that we can survive in it. Allah Almighty has created the earth, and Allah Almighty has created the environment that is supportive of the life. But pollution is something that makes your environment unsafe for you. Imagine standing in a park and it is full of the garbage and trash. Do you think you can stand there and you can breathe there and germs will not enter in your body? It's impossible. Germs will enter and they will make you sick. This is what pollution does. Pollution makes our environment unsafe. It makes it toxic. It makes it poisonous. Pollution has many forms. Like the wrappers, extra paper, bottles, they are a form of pollution. Similarly, chemicals coming out from the factories, they are a very dangerous kind of pollution. Smoke coming out of the factory or from the vehicles, from the cars, it is a form of a pollution. It is contaminating our air, it is contaminating our water bodies. Here are certain forms of the pollution. Have a look at it. Pollution can take the form of the chemical substances which comes from the factories, in the form of energy such as heat, light and noise. Yes, pollution is not only the garbage, it's not only the chemicals. Sometimes extra heat, the heat that we don't need, it is also the pollution. It is making our planet very warm. Extra light, we do not need that huge amount of the billboards, very large billboards in every city, and they are using extra electricity and making our environment polluted. It is also a form of pollution. Now imagine you are in a busy traffic and on a road, and suddenly there is a traffic jam. What will happen after some time? You will have a headache because of the noise from there. Noise is also a kind of the pollution. And you know, these kinds of pollution, they are very dangerous for us. They affect our health in a way that we cannot even imagine. They are a source of mental stress for us. The elements that cause pollution are called pollutants. Pollutants mean things that make pollution. Anything that make pollution will be called a pollutant. Once we know what pollution is, it is not difficult to imagine that it is always accompanied civilizations as they try to control natural elements like fire or invent new things like metal tools. Here is a picture. Just imagine. Even by looking at a picture, you will be disgusted because the water is polluted to that extent. They are saying when human beings start developing and they start making new things, those new things they benefited the human beings, but there was a side effect of it, and it was pollution. When we invented different things, we also make pollution with it as a side effect. The earliest form of pollution started from prehistoric time when we lighted the first fires. They say pollution started when we started making the fires. The smoke, the toxic gases, they started entering our environment. As we know, fire eats up oxygen we need to breathe and leaves carbon residue. You know, whenever you light a fire, whether you burn woods or whether you are burning a stove, it uses oxygen in the air. You cannot burn fire without using oxygen. Now imagine we use oxygen to breathe in, we use oxygen to survive, and whenever we are burning a fire, we are burning that oxygen gas. Later in the Bronze and the Iron Age, metal shaping into tools and objects called forging appeared to be a key element. Forging means when you use metal to make different tools. This is called forging. In the Bronze and in the Iron Age, they started making tools from the bronze and from the iron. And you know, before making the tools, they have to melt these irons, and they need a lot of energy for this process. And when we need energy, we burn fire. So that is how we make our earth and our air polluted. However, at that times, pollution was comparatively less in scale and could be handled by the nature. You know, in earlier times there was pollution, but it was not as much as it is in the current era. In earlier times there were large number of trees, so they used to purify the air. But nowadays we have cut down so much of the trees that there are fewer amount of the trees to purify the air. That is why all these pollutants, they are accumulating in our environment. As the human civilization in the world grew in number and technology, pollution level increased immensely to the point that they started endangering the environment. And unfortunately, because of the environment, many species of the plants and animals have gone extinct. Extinct mean the whole species has been died and is finished from the face of the earth. Students, today I gave you the introduction of the pollution, and today we discuss what is the meaning of the contamination, what are the pollutants. Then we discussed that there are different types of the pollutants. Some are solid, liquid and gas, and some are found in the form of energy. Then we discussed that the pollution started when human beings started inventing different things, and then we came to know that in earlier time there was pollution, but since there were a large number of trees, so the air and the environment was purified easily. Please read this page thoroughly, read this topic thoroughly, learn all the important definitions, and in case of any difficulty, please do let me know so I can help you further. Thank you so much, students. Take care.